taking you through all of like the different little things that I've done to the bike, and just kind of fill you guys in on what I ride every day. So here we go. All right, so these are Sputnik bars. I've rawed them out, sanded them down, and clear coated them. That's what they look like, and I've got some ODI super soft grips with some bar ends in there. It's a stock stem, and I've got a little light here because I ride around at night sometimes. Yeah, works really well. You can pick these up at Walmart for $9 for the set. I'll show you back here. There's the red one that I've got on the back. But anyways, so yeah, Verde frame. Then I've got the Odyssey Tommy Dugan tires on here. I've got fly pegs, and I've got the plastic sleeves that I did a tutorial on, covering them up. Got the double wall DK rim and hub. Got Eastern clear pedals. Really, I don't like these pedals very much, but it's just what I've got for right now. Stock cranks, nothing special about those. I've got the Oil Slick Salt Plus 25 tooth sprocket laced to a Colt 510 chain. It's a full link, obviously, and I prefer a full link chain because they're a little bit lighter, and I've never broke one, so yeah, I kind of like them. Same tire in the back, Tommy Dugan Odyssey, and in the back I've got a stock rim with a stock cassette hub, 9-tooth driver, and same deal back here, fly peg with the plastic sleeve over it. Going up, I've got an Odyssey pivotal seat with a Fit Bike Co. seat post, and my frame is 20.5 inch top tube, full chromoly frame, integrated headset. The forks are also just stock forks that came with the bike. This was a complete Verde that I think came out around 2008 or 9, so it's a little bit older bike, but I like it. Bottom bracket and headset are both stock, original with the bike. So yeah, that's just a quick overview of the bike. And okay guys, I just picked up this new Shadow seat. It's a mid-size seat, so it's kind of halfway in between your small and large seat, so it's got really good cushion. Don't know how well that's going to show up on camera, but it's like a micro suede material, so it's the top feels really cool. Let me get in some better light here and see how I can, if you guys can see this, but there you go. So as you can see, and then it's got like the denim type material on the side. So all right, let's get this guy. Let's take this off. All right, there you go. I paid $35 for it.
Because I go out and not.
I told you.
And it's a pretty light seat, and it's built really well. I like this plastic kind of hand grab spot, little Shadow logo on the back. Focus. There we go. And then another cool thing is the 6mm Allen bolt that goes on it is hollow. Now, obviously that's not going to be, you know, a big weight saving, but I just think it's pretty cool that, you know, they pay attention to little details like that, you know, just putting, you know, a hollow pin in there because it's, you know, a heavy duty steel, and just to, you know, keep it from being real heavy, they hollow it out. So yeah, in my opinion, that's just a cool little detail that, you know, shows that they take pride in what they do. So let's go get it on the bike, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so we just got the new seat on, and let me show you how it looks. Yeah, buddy. So we got the Shadow Crow and the little pivotal. Let's get out in some better light. I'm doing really bad with the light today, guys. I'm sorry. Here we go. So yeah, so the little pivotal, patented technology slit thing is in the shape of a coffin, which is pretty cool. That's Shadow's signature little logo along with the crow. And yeah, I think it just looks really cool, guys. Let me know what you think. And like, comment, and subscribe. You know what to do. Happy weekend. Later, guys.